Hey friends, if you wish to clear cache to fix problems on Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. This will open the app data roaming folder. Go a step back to the app data folder. Go to local. Scroll down and you'll find Microsoft. Click on it and then you can find Microsoft Teams. If you find them, then you can delete the cache for it. Or here's what I do: I just delete the Microsoft folder, and this way all the cache for Microsoft related applications is deleted. The ones except for the ones which are currently in use. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.